The next airdrop we're going to do is called ecoin. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. We got a lot of these coming. Remember, don't send any money to free airdrops. Airdrops are always free. And we will start this one up. It's asking you to check your email ID, so we'll check our email ID. We'll give it a quick check here. You're eligible. So we'll sign up now. Put that in, confirm your password and all that, and then sign up with email. And then we'll pop the video back up. Now it said it sent a verification code to your email. You can go there and go to your email. And just go to your email and click on verify. Okay, it's asking you to send this out right away. Click on this. Save and earn. It's got a whole bunch of things here. You've already got ways to earn. You can earn more coins in here. Reputation of blockchains, cryptocurrency, that's an overtime simple. Look at this. It's giving you some of the issues that they're having with doing a lot of the airdrops. And I think this is solving a huge problem with it. And just keep clicking on next here. Many ways to earn 1,000 coins when you sign up. It's kind of giving an overall of everything here. Keep clicking on next after you're reading through. And we'll click on accept. And we'll take a look and see what happens when you hit import. You can put a bunch of emails in here and invite friends. It says you can tweet your referral link, send it out to Facebook, whatever you want to do. So we'll send out a tweet right now. Go into here, click on tweet. And this is our dashboard. You can go look at all this stuff. Now this is a very interesting platform because it can adopt to anybody. Anybody can pretty much use this. It gives you all your transaction records, dashboard, my referrals. Actually, anybody can sign up for this one. It looks like it's for mass adoption, and it's based on a referral for people as well. Very, very interesting project. Anybody can do this one. Sign up, like the video, subscribe to the channel. We've got a lot of these type of new cryptos coming out. And that's the end of this airdrop.